These are the 10 best gifts under $100 for streamers. Coming in at number 1, and the most important thing you could ever buy a streamer, is a high quality microphone. But better yet, one that is under $100 and packs a punch. And that is none other than the Razer Siren Mini. Now, I've had the pleasure of reviewing this microphone, of enhancing this microphone, and I can gladly say this is one that I will back until the end of time. Coming in at number 2, and the second most important thing, is going to be a microphone arm. Whenever you watch any reviews or any videos about improving your microphone audio, they're always going to say put it on a boom arm, because then you can get it closer to your mouth and you don't have to project and shout and get all this echo in the background. So I highly suggest the Elgato Wave Mic LP. It is one that I personally use, as you can see over here. And some of my favorite things about it is that it's so easy to use, so easy to set up, but you can pack it away, and it's also very neat with the cables. Coming in at number 3, we have the Logitech C920E. The Logitech webcams have always been a staple in the streaming world and used throughout. It's one that I highly suggest. I used to use the Logitech Brio, which is the bigger brother to this, but that was purely for 4K and 90 degrees, which was actually unnecessary since I never ever used 4K for my live streaming. So this is one that I can highly suggest. Now, coming in at number 4 is equally important to your audio, is your lighting. Your lighting is extremely important. I mean, good audio is great, but I've listened to enough audiobooks to hear just audio and not be able to see anyone. So that's why I highly recommend that you grab high quality lights. And 2 pairs that I came across is the 2-pack LED video light kit by NiceVD. These are going for $54 and it has such great reviews. What I like about the panels is instead of this gigantic box floating above your head, you have 2 panels, which is easy to set up, easy to pack away. It's not going to take up much space, and it's going to light that beautiful face of yours. Coming in at number 5, which is such a fun accessory. I absolutely love this tube light. I have a pair myself. They are amazing at setting the tones, at setting the moods, putting in the backgrounds of your videos. I'm currently using 2. I've got one just behind my lamp, and I got another smaller version just on my couch in the background there, just bringing to life my background, adding 2 colors. These are going for $49, but they're on special, so grab before that special ends. These are so cool. They are magnetic. They can stick onto, fridges if you're mobile. I filmed in the gym and I put on gym equipment, and so I could light up my subject. So you can use these in so many different ways. You can completely customize the range of the light colors. There's also a mobile app which you can use to select the colors. I definitely recommend that you pick up one of these. Coming in at number 6, which is an order that I'll be placing now actually, is a pack of pyramids to soundproof my room, because I recently moved and I have neighbors behind me. Now, if you know me, I'm a very loud gamer. I'm a very loud streamer. Lord have mercy for them. I feel so sorry for them. So this is something that I'm picking up now for $30, currently on special, which I am very excited about. Coming in at number 7 is a live on-air neon light. Now, we use one of these at our offices actually, and it is so cool. And I've seen so many other streamers using these in their streams. I'm like, wow, that looks so expensive. Little did I know it's only $38. So these are definitely worth picking up just to put in the background of your streams. Cast some lights into the background, maybe as a key light onto you. Put it there, let it shine, let people know that you are live. Coming in at number 9 is a green screen. Now, unless you have an RTX card, a green screen is definitely very necessary for your gaming sequences. What it allows is for the person who is streaming to separate them from the background and completely just make it transparent, so that all people see is the gameplay, and you can enlarge yourself, and it's just such a great tool to have in your arsenal. I definitely recommend this one. Coming in at number 10 on special is the Elgato Camlink 4K. This is something that I use personally for my Twitch streams. As I connect my camera, it allows you to stream in full Ultra HD onto Twitch, onto YouTube, onto Facebook, whichever platform you choose. And here's some 2 honorable mentions. If your friend or your person has a camera, I highly recommend you actually pick up a tripod for them. I use this Mactrim 80-inch. It is amazing. It is so versatile. It allows me to set up my camera anywhere. It allows me to create reels with it. And then the last one that I recommend is a dummy battery. This will allow that person with the camera to live stream without their battery dying or their camera overheating. It's designed to be on for long periods of time. Now, I use the Sony a7 IV, so I live stream with the Gonin NPFZ, which originally is made for the a7 III, but it fits inside the a7 IV. So if your friend is a Canon user, maybe a Nikon or Fujifilm, you might have to do a little bit more research to finding out which battery fits them. And that is the top 10 best gifts under $100 for a streamer that I wish I could have received earlier.